Hi, my name is Amy Marcia and I'm a student at the University of Houston downtown. And this is for my science methods class. My topic is the solar system. The reason why I chose this topic is because I thought it was a pretty cool lesson, and I think kids will have fun learning about the solar system and all the planets, just because it's something that we really don't see here on Earth. I think that this will get their attention and be able to see what's out there in space and how we come so far in our technology. And I think this will be an amazing lesson to teach. For the science part, for the engaging, I will have the students get in groups and have a discussion, so they can learn from one another. I will ask them how many planets do we have, or if they can name the planets. After they have the small group discussion, we'll have a classroom discussion. We'll all discuss what they know about the planets. This will give me a little information what they know about about the solar system. And then after the classroom discussion, I will show them a video that will help them remember the planets, because it's gonna be like a song, so it will be pretty cool. To explore, I will demonstrate a presentation, introducing them about the physical properties of the planets. And also, I will use this program called the NASA Eye program, which is where you can see how the planets are orbiting around the sun and the satellites that are there. And it's pretty cool. They get to see the positioning of the planets in that moment where they're at right now. So to explain, the students will be able to locate each planet in the solar system, and in their physical properties. The students will draw a picture of all 8 planets in order. This will enable the students' visual in the position of the planets. So have them draw their own solar system, and so they can have a visual of how that looks. Instead of looking at a piece of paper, it was better for them to have them write it or draw it themselves. To elaborate, here in this one, I decided to have them create their own planet. They get to construct their own atmosphere, their own seasons, their own landscape. They get to choose and do whatever they want with their planet, because that's their own planet. And if their planet is going to be near the sun, it's going to be a hot planet, or it's going to be a cold planet, or it's going to be in the middle. So this gets them thinking and be creative too. To evaluate them, I will have them do a research paper, which they will be assigned of their own. They might be in groups or individual, depends how many students I have in the classroom. But they will have their own assigned planet, and they will have to research about that planet. And then later on, they have to do a presentation and present their planets in front of the class. All right, so let's move on to the mathematics part. This one, I will have them do a table to try to find the percentage of the planet. So I have an example how that will look. So they would just have to find the percentage of that. That would be the math part. For the English part, English language art part, the students will go to the library, pick out a book, and they will read the book and write a paper on it. They will tell me what they learned and what kind of information they grabbed from that book. And then after they're done doing their research on that, they will go and present it in front of the class. For social studies, we'll go way back to find out who discovered the planets, or the solar system, the astronomers, the type of technology that they used to have back then compared to what we have now. I think that social studies part will be awesome, just because we get to go down deep, to find out more, like who knew Mars like was there, So it'll be really interesting to go way back and teach the kids, but who found the planet. And for art, the last one, I will have the students draw the solar system and the planets. This will let me know if they know how they have how their visual is, like if they know and if they know the order of the planets, and then label them. So I have an example how that will look. So there also they get to be creative and get to color, and this will help them to know the order of the planets. So that was it. That was my cube. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.